Okay. Huh?
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Aaron.
Aaron.
Abnet Aaron. Guys, we are here at the tire shop. Some Argentinian guy told me here you get cheap tires.
¿Quieres el mismo modelo?
We're searching for the right tire for my bike, for my baby, because these ones they're finished, how you can see. ¿Tu nombre, chico?
Abner.
Abner, Aaron. Okay. Okay, guys, they have just. I need 130, like the thick, 30 centimeter. They just have 12 and 40. But I will take two, 120, 140. Now I will montage the 140 for the sand, and later in Patagonia it doesn't matter. Then I put the 120 on it, because here in Lima is super cheap. Like here, a tire cost me like $7, $67. It's super cheap here in Peru. Because of this, I get two back tire and one front, because front is like the same life as two back tires. Okay, guys, we found our tires. Here is my bike with the tires. Thank you, amigo, for my tire.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, we arrived in the changing place. Here's my tires. ¿Tu nombre?
Joana.
Joana. Mucho gusto, Aaron. And we will change our tires and in the moto factory in Lima, in Peru. Yeah, it's also really funny. When I arrived here, I was asked them, hey, where are we gonna do it? Can we do it inside in the garage? And he said, no, we're gonna do it right on the street here. And I said, oh, easy, perfect. Okay, guys, they start with the front wheel. That's the Metzler we got. And then on the wheel we put a 140. Normally it's 130, but they don't have. And 120 I will take with Professionales. Okay, guys, we just checked the oil and there was nothing on it. We need to put some Motorex in it. Bueno.
Fórmula.
Sí, tenis muy rápido. Okay, let's check. ¿Más? No, let's check. Okay, guys, I put 5 deciliter in, and now we are in the half. Okay, it needs much more oil. Okay, guys, we put 7 deciliter oil in it, but now it's full. It looks really good. I'm super happy. And what we also gonna change is the front brakes. I got here reserve ones. I put them in tape from Brembo, because this front one is, yeah, they're finished. They're super finished. This one is finished and this one has some little bit on it, but this one are finished. Yeah, the chicos here, they changed the tire. Oh, muy bueno. Guys, I'm super happy. I just changed the brakes, the front brakes, both of them. The first time in my life, because they've been, yeah, they're almost empty. Yeah. Maybe you see it, but they're almost empty. And I changed it and I'm super happy. In the meantime, they changed the tire of my wheel. I changed the 2 front brakes, and yeah, now we already montaged the wheel, the new wheels. Okay, the guy was thinking the tire has some hole because he had loose.
Sí.
Bueno, ¿no?
Métele más. Afuera, afuera. bájale acá, hacia abajo.
Okay guys, we are putting now the back tire. And then we are finished. Okay guys, they are finished and it looks super good. This is my reserve tire after 8,000 kilometers when this one is finished, but it looks super nice. It's even thicker than the other one, and yeah, it's better for the dunes. And the front tire looks also super good, and yeah, I'm super happy.